Hello there. How are you? How are you doing? Nice to meet you. It's good to see you. What are you doing? How is the weather today? It's raining today. Do I know you? You look beautiful. Do you read books? I can read novels. Why are you not listening? What makes you think? I can understand. Who is he? What happened? It's time to go. Did you leave? I can ride you home. Can you pull over? What is wrong? I get it. I am much better. Are you sick? You don't know me. What is your name? I live here. A long time ago. It's been a while. Have a nice trip. How long to get there? There are many stores. Which dress do you like? How many times? Would you do me a favor? I can't wait to see it. I was worried about you. Do you want to go outside? Let's have a party. What are your hobbies? I'm much better now. Did you like it? I was on vacation. This could be better. I'm going to the park. Which is your favorite book? Let's throw a party. Are you doing okay? Does it matter? What is the weather like? It's cloudy today. Tomorrow is my day off. Why are you worried? This can be good. You are so lucky. You are the best. I wasn't sure about this. This could not be good. I don't feel like it. You should try this. I prefer coffee. I would love to. This wall has pink paint. I want to do something. Your backyard is huge. I have a pool at my home. Come join me. That is amazing. It's getting dark. This store is closed. I love dancing. Do you like soccer? I'm going to meet you today. This will be perfect. I have so much to tell you. Which one is bigger? I have something to tell. This is important. It was a long day. I got to go somewhere. The library will be closed. It is not so cool. What is for dinner tonight? Did you sell your bike? That was awesome. I got home early yesterday. Wish me good luck. That was terrified. My garage is full of junk. These are my magazines. How often do you go out? I like to go to Paris. Do you do dishes? I have 2 kittens. I like to watch movies. Which one is your favorite? Do you like to have a pet? How are your parents? Do they live together? It was nice talking to you. Can you please pass the salt? May I have this, please? Thanks for everything. Sorry, I didn't see you there. Could you turn off the AC? Can I get another glass of juice? I would like this one. I would like to try on another dress. Do you have a smaller size? Could you bring the menu? May I see that necklace? Where can I find the restroom? How much is the lava cake? Excuse me, are you in line? Would you like to have ice cream? Can you say that again? Can you explain what this sign means? I'm hurt. I need a doctor. Someone stole her purse. Call the police. I lost my passport. I think I'm lost. Can you help me? Could you bring more bread? Do you have dragon fruit? Could you please open the window? It was the least I could do. I have no idea. Do you know what I mean? I've been busy. Can you tell me? How's your family? You're everything to me. I'm returning your call. Can't complain. I adore you. What's up? What's new? I'm single. How was your day? It was nice talking to you. Thank you for being so helpful. I'm looking for a new job. What's your favorite hobby? I really like your outfit. Sorry, I can't make it today. I have to go now. He is still not well. I'm feeling tired today. Well done. Keep it up. Did you get my point? What are you talking about? Hope to see you next time. Thank you for inviting us. Get out of my sight. Come quickly. How much does it cost? I am not aware of that. How was your flight? Clean up your messes. Always work as a team. I go straight to the gym. I get home around 8 o'clock. What do you eat for lunch? I'm on my way. We both like each other. What is going on? Please say something. Is everything all right? What are your likes or dislikes? Hope to see you next time. I will catch you soon. That is not fair. Follow up. Enjoy yourself. I will try my best. Get assured. What do you want from me? I wish you well. It's your fault. Call me back. I'll come back later. I'm planning to go there. I'll call you when I leave. He's very annoying. Long time no see. I ate already. Don't you think that? He likes it very much. Shut the door. Where is your book? We are ready to do it. Think about yourself. I am not going anywhere. He is playing all day. My father is a businessman. She's not listening to me. His brother is coming to school. Come closer to me. Let's finish talking on time. Mark my words. She is coming tomorrow. Where did he go? It is raining outside. I like ice cream. The cat is sleeping on the couch. We live in New York City. I work at a bank. My name is John. They went to the park yesterday. I have a big house. I like chocolate ice cream. I like cookies and milk for a snack. The dog ran around the park. My brother likes to eat peanut butter. My grandma loves to bake cakes. I like to go to the mall. I like apples a lot. My friends are coming over today. He eats meat. The chair is made of wood. We are going to the store tomorrow. I am taking an English class. He is a good student. Grandma has a new puppy named Charlie. My brother is tall and handsome. The cat is sleeping on the pillow. My mom cooks delicious food. Sarah will be home soon. My favorite color is blue. She got a new purse. The test was easy today. I am an English teacher. It was hard to do, but he did it well. My desk is in the classroom. I went to bed late last night. My favorite movie is Titanic. You deserve better than this. I have a pen on my desk. I miss you. I am proud of you. Thank you for being my friend. I like your smile. I like the way you are. The sun is shining bright today. I have a dog named Princess. My son loves to play basketball. He is wearing a white shirt. The dog is jumping into the pool. Mommy loves me very much. I went to the store. The sun is hot today. We drove all night. The dog barked for a long time. You must learn how to drive. We need more time. I am eating an apple. They are having dinner. We went camping last weekend. The teacher teaches us math every day. We had a good time together. It sounds like it will be awesome. You should not smoke in public. We had a great time at the party. We are in the library right now. My brother's name is Jacob. She goes to school every day. We like to read books. My dog likes to eat chicken. It is time for now. I like tea with cookies. My sister likes to play piano. We were ready to go out for dinner. I enjoy fixing things around the house. I woke up early in this morning. The cat sat on the mat. My birthday is on May 15th. You look great today. I need help with my homework. We went to Paris last year. You are so helpful. You are so sweet. I want to be with you forever. Ask me if you need anything. Do you think it is true? You were right. I love being your mom. Don't compare yourself to anyone else. I believe in you. You have great ideas. Don't be afraid. Anything is possible. You can make a difference. I love how you said that. Do I have a choice? That was an excellent choice. That is a great question. Your attitude can change any situation. It's your decision. Never stop trying. That was brave. Do you like your job? When is your birthday? Do you know what I mean? That's not going to work for me. Let me check my calendar. Is it far? How do I find it? Please do me a favor. I will try my best. Are you kidding? Call me any day. I am at the office. He had no money. That's so kind of you. I will come again. Shut the door, please. Could you come closer to me? He is going to announce something. She is coming tomorrow. We have to help that old man. How long will you stay there? Think about yourself. Go straight, then take the first left. She is not listening to me. Let's finish the task on time. As soon as possible. Improve your handwriting. The matter is clear. What would you like to have? I hope you understand. How are things going? What's the time on your watch? It is up to you. Put the books in order. I have been out since morning. It sounds great. It is all because of you? I don't need your car. The train is about to come. I got a part-time job. Where did you learn it? Where is the pharmacy? It is very cold today. Is there something that I can do? Is there a bank nearby? Yesterday was a nice day. I hope things will work out all right. Is everything okay? What is the weather like? It was only a joke. I wish you were here. I can't wait to see you again. I am happy you are here. Could you leave me alone? Did you miss your bus? I appreciate it. It is a pleasure to meet you. I hope your day is great. Can you tell me the price of this item? Do you have any reusable bags available? Nice jacket. Where did you get it? What are you doing after shopping? How's work going? I apologize for being late. My room is on the second floor. Don't go out in the sun. What are you here for? I want a glass of water. That is my book. This is incredible. The girl wants to get married. You deserved it. I am impressed. Forget about it. That's fine. Why don't you eat something? I am proud of my son. I am serious about my job. You have made my day. I am about to leave. What's on the menu? How's your weekend so far? I don't like long talks. I'm sorry to interrupt you. Your name is on the list. Please write down this address. Who is your class teacher? Do you have a stapler? Can I borrow your pencil? I can't find my sunglasses. I'm sorry I'm busy. I knew you could do it. Congratulations on your success. I'll bring snacks for the party. The library is closed today. Can you recommend a good book to read? Tell me what happened. I am not sleeping well. You can slide the front seat forward. He likes to play soccer. We play tennis every morning. I go for a walk every day. He gets up early every day. She eats healthy food. Does she live in Paris? It usually rains every day here. You don't have children. My brother takes out the trash. She goes to work by car. What a lovely weather today. I do work out in the morning. I do like to paint my nails. This dress is pretty. Can I borrow your car for one day? My son makes his bed. I'm sorry he's unavailable right now. Does he work in the bank? I'm not good at it. We have some work to do. My grandma loves to bake. It is not a bad situation. I don't know why I love that book. Can you hold my baby's hand for a while? Sam loves to go on hiking. What is he doing now? Do you go to school by bus? I prefer the pink color. Does your brother live here? Why is she laughing? I'm reading a book at the moment. Are you listening to me? My mom always cooks well. What did you see in the museum? Julia is cleaning her room. Why did you call yesterday? They live together in an old house. My house is beside a small lake. They were jumping over the fire. He was looking through the window. I like to walk around the lake. There's a car in front of the hotel. Alex was just in time to catch the taxi. She doesn't listen to me. I didn't meet anybody. My flight departs at 5 a.m. I live at 26 Parson Road. We have just moved from our apartment. The office of the company is in Rome. Does this train stop in New York? We spent some days in Chicago. Where is your key? There's a thick ice on the river. Who's the best sportsman in the world? I will meet you at the station. Nora's house is at the end of the street. I'll be free on Monday afternoon. It is hard to make friends. I didn't do my homework yesterday. Make sure to lock the door before leaving. My English is improving now. Please leave me alone. What are your plans for the weekend? I am truly sorry for what happened. I am sorry for being late. I understand mistakes happen. Can you tell me what's going on? I am afraid I don't know. I am not sure I can answer it. I am retired now. I used to be an engineer. It is a perfect summer day. It is 4:30. I love learning new languages. It is quite cold. It's raining heavily at the moment. Is your brother here? My father always washes the car. Do they talk a lot? Do we know each other? My sister works at the theater. I don't want to go with you. California is in America. Julia talks very fast. Do you like spaghetti? Is the coffee too hot for you? I feel sad without you. She came back to school a while ago. She is very clever like me. Alex never argues with me. The movie is starting now. They go out to dinner every week. I am eating an orange. She is an intelligent student. Who knows the answer to these questions? She has black hair. Where did you lose your bracelet? Sam went to the office to get his coat. She is working on a new project. Please concentrate on your work. Sorry, I fell asleep. Sorry, I can't help you at this time.